In this topic, we will look at tangents from an exterior point. Here we have ACE and BDE as tangents at points C and D respectively. OC and OD are radius of the circle, and we will join O to E. Can you prove whether triangle OEC and angle OED are congruent? Let's identify three pairs of measurements that can help us to prove that these two triangles are congruent. First, we know that angle ECO and angle EDO are 90 degrees because of tangent perpendicular to radius. And EO is equals to EO because they are common. Finally, OC is equals to OD because they are radius of a circle. So which congruence test are we using here? We have a right angle, a hypotenuse, and a side. And therefore, we will use the congruence test RHS. Now, since these two triangles are congruent, therefore, the length EC must be the same as the length ED. Likewise, angle CEO must be the same as angle DEO. Finally, angle EOC is equals to angle EOD. If we have two tangents here joining to a point, then we can use this angle property, tangent from exterior points, to show that EC equals to ED, angle CEO equals to angle DEO, and angle EOC is equals to angle EOD. Let's look at some examples here. ABC and CDE are tangents. We are asked to find angle OCD here. To find this angle, we will first need to know what is this angle here. And can we find this angle? Yes, angle BOD is equals to 55 degrees times 2. Do you know why? Yes, because it is angles at the center equals to twice the angle at the circumference subtended by the arc BD here. And we will have 110 degrees. If angle BOD is 110 degrees, angle COD will be 110 divided by 2 because of tangent from exterior points. From this property, we know that these two angles are the same. Likewise for these two angles and the two lengths BC and CD as well. And we will have angle COD to be 55 degrees. Now can you find what is angle OCD? Yes, it is simply 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 55 degrees. Because of the angle properties, angle sum of triangle and tangent perpendicular to radius. Calculating, we will have angle OCD to be 35 degrees. Let's look at a different example here. Triangle ABC touches three sides of the circle. We are asked to find the length of CQ and AP. To do so, we need to let CQ be X and AP be Y. Using the angle property tangent from exterior point, we can also say that CR is equals to X and AR is equals to Y. Therefore, X plus Y here is equals to 16 centimeters. Now, if AP is Y, BP here will be 18 minus Y. Again, using the angle property tangent from exterior point, we also know that BQ is 18 minus Y as well. And looking at this side here, we have X plus 18 minus Y equals to 20 centimeters. Given these two equations here, do you know how we can solve this? Yes, we'll use simultaneous equation. We'll simplify the second equation first by subtracting 18 on both sides. And we'll have x minus y equals to 2. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. To solve these simultaneous equations, we will use equation 1 minus equation 2. X minus x will be 0. Y minus negative y will be 2y. 16 minus 2 is 14. If 2y equals to 14, to find y, we will divide by 2 on both sides. And we will have y equals to 7. We will substitute this into equation 1. And we will have x plus 7 equals to 16. To find x, we will subtract 7 on both sides to give us x equals to 9. And therefore, the length CQ, which is x, is equals to 9. And the length AP, which is y, is equals to 7 centimeters. In summary, if we have two tangents joining to a point, say E here, then we can say that EC is equals to ED, angle CEO equals to angle DEO, and angle EOC equals to angle EOD. If you need to mention that the following pairs of measurements are the same, you will need to indicate the angle property tangent from exterior points. And that's all for this topic.